Have you guys heard of the bid room at Home Depot? Well, if you haven't, it's a great way for you to save hundreds, if not thousands of dollars on your materials when you're doing a project. You just got to get organized. All you need to do is log on to homedepot.com and then click on My Accounts, register. It's going to give you two options, personal account or Pro Extra. You're going to have to pick the Pro Extra. It's going to ask you for your indicative information. It's going to ask you about your company, and I just put down anything. I put down multifamily residential construction. It's not going to ask you for EIN or tax ID information. Just put in whatever you want and you're going to get registered for the account. Once you're logged into your Pro Extra account, make sure you know what you need to buy. So it's really good to be organized, know what you need, the amount of stuff that you need, and your shopping cart is now full. The next step, right underneath the total, you're going to want to create a PO job name. It's going to be Instagram and apply. Once it's applied, create a quote, and quote number 1 and click save. There's two ways that you actually save by having a Pro Extra account. The first way is you automatically saved $105 just for being a Pro Extra account member. Here's a quick example: porcelain thin set as well as quick level underlayment. Thin set's normally $22.98, but since you're a Pro member, you're saving a little bit there. And then the other bag is $29.50 normally. It goes down to $26.55. Still pretty good for just having a free account. The second way is where you save the big money. You need to put a little time and effort into it, not a lot, but get the quote number from the bid. The quote is right here, quote number HG00224. All you need to do is go to your local Home Depot's Pro Desk, speak to the Pro Desk manager or anyone there, and they could place it into the bid room and get you a quote. Alternatively, if you're lazy like me and you don't have time to go visit your Home Depot, call the Pro Desk, speak to the manager. The manager I spoke to at the location in Newark, New Jersey, she was able to give me a significant discount on a $4,200 bill. I was able to save around $750. Not a lot of money, but if you're doing a lot of projects every year, you can stand to save anywhere from 15 to 25% on your material expenses. Good luck. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have any luck doing this. Until the next time, make sure you trust the process and enjoy the journey.